Hi, I'm Catharyn Baird, CEO of Ethics Gain. And as we have been watching the events of the past year unfold, there has been a real attack on what we call diversity, equity, and inclusion policies, coming primarily from the administration, but also echoed throughout a lot of different aspects of our life. And as I watch people, I notice that institutions just fold. They don't fight back, nor do they finesse and try to find another solution. Inside Higher Ed reported in the past 2 weeks that 150 university presidents have signed documents of going along rather than standing up and using their moral voice in the face of these assaults. Now, a friend of mine had a scholarship that was for women at her law school. And as we talked, we were able to find a way to put the language into that scholarship that it wasn't just for women, but it was for people, men and women, who cared about the cause of women advancing in law. And we found that by broadening out those words, we included people, men and other women, who cared about the cause. The same thing happened with the civil rights movement, where men and women, white, black, Hispanic, rallied together to move ahead the cause of integration. And so when we look at the fundamental goal, which is inclusion of all people, equity of opportunity, and inclusion into our systems, we can pay attention to where we can be influencers, make a difference, and find a solution that gets us there, and not just fold because we're afraid of the opposition. Thank you.